Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the screen on an iPhone 13 Pro. As you can see, the screen on this one, the glass isn't cracked, but the OLED has damage on it. As you can see, there's like a black bleeding spot here and some kind of like funkiness down here. I don't even know what that is. It's like kind of like greenish, darkish, like kind of blackish color right there. But yeah, other than that, this phone is pretty legit. So this is going to be the part that I'm going to be using today. As you can see, it's a soft OLED 120 Hz screen. Let me pull this out of the package. You can get this screen to repair this phone, the same one that I'm using. This screen actually costs $65. That's it for a 13 Pro screen. Now for any of you guys that are in the repair business or market or phone flipping or whatever you are, I do not recommend this type of screen for anything that's 14 Pro and up. And as you can see, today is Saturday, August 2nd at 3:51 p.m. If you guys want to know how to get parts like these, the same parts that I use on the phones that I fix, click the link in the description, join my school community. Just join it and it's right there, right in plain view. I tell you all my supplier information for parts. All right, let's get this started. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take off the bottom two screws. All right, so we're going to want to grab our screwdriver. All right, so there's the two screws. And since I'm not saving the screen already has OLED damage, I'm just going to pry the screen out. It's probably going to break. All right, so what I'm going to do first is just blow a little bit of heat around and then I'll just pry the screen out. All right, so we'll just grab our tool like this and we're just gonna kind of just get in between the glass and the metal frame like this. And this might crack, I bet you. There, we got it under the screen. All right, I was trying to find my little card that I normally use, but I don't want to look for it right now because I don't care if the screen breaks, right? I'm tossing this out anyways. So we'll just get under there. Usually I'll use like a gift card or something, you know. Sometimes some people use like guitar picks or whatever. And I'm gonna turn the phone on and see if the screen did get damaged after I get this off. All right, so I got the phone open. I'm actually gonna turn on the phone right now just to show you guys that this screen most likely is gonna be damaged. Watch, let's see. Holy crap, I don't think it is. Maybe it is. Let's see if there's any like black spots down here, like extra ones that you didn't see. I actually didn't damage the screen further. Wow, I'm actually surprised. All right, so we'll open up the screen this way, and what you'll see is a bunch of screws and shields. So what we're gonna do is we are going to take off the shield. All right, so we have the shield off and we're gonna match it with the screws right here. And then what we're gonna do next is take off this shield. We're gonna switch screwdrivers. And we're gonna remove this shield right here. And remember how I keep them in order like this because these two screws are different from these two screws. So keep them like that and keep them like that. All right, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna unplug the battery. So this is the battery connection right here. And then this is the screen connection. We're gonna unplug this. and we're gonna unplug the proximity sensor up here. I'm actually gonna get another one because I noticed that I freaking screwed this up when I was opening the screen. So that's why I don't actually use this when I open the screen. I use a old gift card to do this. All right, and what do you know? Look, I found my gift card that I use. And I got a bunch of these. And just a reminder, parts and tools, the same ones that I use in these videos, you can find in the link in the description underneath the video. As you can see, I gotta throw this one away now. So we'll chuck that one and we'll start using this one. Then as you'll see, the screen connections are gonna be easy to unplug. Boom, there you go. All right, so now that we have this stuff disconnected, the way that this is gonna work, all we're gonna do, as you can see, here's the new screen, here's the old screen. All we're gonna do is just transfer this back onto here, and then we're gonna put this connected with the shields and screws, and that's gonna be the repair. But first, what I wanna do, I wanna test the screen. So all we have to do is just plug this in, plug in the battery, and then power the phone on. I know the proximity sensor flex is not plugged in. I just want to test the screen for like 5 seconds just to continue on with the repair. There's probably going to be a little message that pops up right now. All right, no message, but as you can see, screen works. I'm satisfied. No message. Okay, there we go. Message popped up. All right, so we'll put this aside and let's get on with transferring this to here. So as you'll see, there's 3 little screws right here. We're gonna take those out. Here we go. And the way that we're gonna, because this has adhesive and it's kind of stuck on there, I'm gonna blow heat on this side, which is gonna warm up the adhesive. Then I'm gonna use this tool to get under there, and then this thing will come off. We're gonna use heat. So as you guys see, I put my finger here so I can feel how hot it is, right? So we'll go like this. This is the technique that I use. We'll get right under it. We'll get this flat plastic stick and we'll go right here. We'll slide it right underneath. You don't want to damage the cable. Go back and forth little by little like this. As you can see, there's a microchip right here, right? You slide right under it. You lift. And then there you go. And we got to get this thing off right here. I usually use, let me get my flathead screwdriver, hold on. Actually, I don't even use it. I don't know why I'm doing that. I use this actually. I'm gonna blow a little bit more heat here. There we go. It is now off. There we go. That's how it looks like. You'll see on the other side, there's a little microphone thing. Make sure the tape didn't roll up like all crazy on it and cover the microphone hole. Otherwise your customer will be pissed. But yeah, there it is. There's that. We'll take this. Take off these stickers. We already tested the screen, it works perfectly fine. We'll grab this. Here's the old screen. Put that aside. We don't need this anymore. Put it over there. We'll grab this proximity sensor and then we'll put it right here where it goes. I'll start with this thing right here. I'll put it right there, and then the rest will fall in place. Right there, like that, and then this thing will just, you see how it has grooves in there? Even in the metal part, you can kind of see where the grooves are. You just lay this thing just like this. And that's that. And then what we'll do is we'll just grab our shield right here. We'll put this back on here with the screws. We'll use our little wide tip screwdriver. As you can see, there's 3 different screwdriver that this iPhone uses. So we'll go right here, align it up. All right, so we got that done. So what we're gonna do next is just connect this back in. All right, those 2 things are connected in. We'll connect in the battery. That's now connected. Make sure that's connected, that's connected. We'll just put these shields back and put in the screws. All right, so I'm gonna close the screen back up. The adhesive to me looks perfectly fine. I'm gonna leave it, I'm not gonna change it. So as you'll see, there's these metal tabs. And the way that we close this phone for the beginners out there, we'll start from the top. You'll slide this in like this at the top. And then you'll just go side to side. Go down right here. You'll hear it click, 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 and then you can, there you go. We'll turn the phone on and then put the 2 screws on the bottom of the phone. This also has a wrapper on it, so. All right, and that, everybody, is the iPhone 13 Pro screen replacement. I'm about to drop some major news with this cell phone. Whoever's a phone flipper, whoever sells cell phones, is gonna be a freaking game changer. I'm telling you guys are about to change the way that you guys buy your phones now. Also, if any of you guys want any more education on the phone repair business, or just buying and reselling phones, if you don't want to get into the repair business at all and you just want to buy and resell phones, click the link in the description, join the school community, and with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.